Hey y'all, it's your girl OJS Beauty and I'm back with another video and we're gonna get straight into it. Today I did a huge haul from Amazon, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. And this video is mainly for like my DIY girls, my girls trying to get into polygel, doing nails at home if you're a beginner nail tech. This box is full of stuff and I'm gonna show you guys my essentials. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and start with are these duck nail tips. And I purchased these a couple of weeks ago, and as you guys can see, I've already put them to use. Absolutely love them. So yeah, y'all should definitely get into it. So these are pretty much how they look. And this was my first time actually doing duck nails, so it isn't like the perfect set, but they work and they give. And I have pretty wide nail beds, and the size variety is pretty large. This is a box that I purchased from a nail supply store. It doesn't come with the box. The next thing that I purchased, because I do my pedicures at home, if I do go to a salon, I go with a bunch of my own supplies in case I don't feel like bending down. But I feel like this is really good. This is a callus remover. So it says that it has vacuuming, a power motor, it's rechargeable, and it's waterproof. So I decided to get this for like the heels of my foot after I put the callus remover on it. It comes with these, which I probably won't be using. I don't know, y'all, how everything looks. It has a brush, I guess, to clean it up. Then it has a charger and then the callus remover. All right, y'all, so with this callus remover, it comes with 2 additional attachments or refills, and you press and hold it like this, then it turns on, and then if you press and hold it again, it goes to the higher speed, and then you press and hold it to turn it off. I would highly recommend this because the pumice stone is, you know, you got to use your hand to go back and forth, and it can be very tiring. So if you do nails at home, this will be easier for you to just, you know, get back there, clean everything, pull your foot up, and then, you know, go in circular motions, as opposed to using the cheese grater, one which damages the bottom of your feet. It'll never be even. The skin is gonna grow in really bad, and if you are a nail tech, it's illegal to use, so I don't think you guys should be using the cheese grater. Get you something like this, and then you can definitely get the bottom of your feet quicker. And it does say that it's waterproof and all those things, so you can definitely use this in the shower, I'm assuming, but I'm definitely going to be using this for my pedicure, so I would highly recommend y'all get one of these. All right, y'all, so the next thing that we're going to go ahead and get into are these Makartt polygels. And I made a purchase of 3 of them. So the colors that I purchased are Siesta. Let me see. So the next thing that I purchased are these 3 Makartt polygels. Let me show y'all. So I got these 3, and the first color is, let's see, y'all see that? I think it's pronounced Le Coralie. The next color is white, and the final color is Siesta. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm really trying to get into doing polygel, y'all, because I feel like I do it on my toes, but I haven't done it on my hands. And when I do it on my toes, it's very bendable. Like, I can put on tennis shoes and go to the gym. I don't feel like how hard acrylic would be. I don't feel the uncomfortableness. I also feel like it's more gentle on my toenails rather than using acrylic on my toenails, because I like that, you know, chiseled square look. So I do it to add the extension. I'll do a video on it one of these days. So I definitely would recommend polygel, but I purchased more because I want to get into doing French. And when I looked at, you know, some reviews on Amazon, the Le Coralie and Siesta were the 2 colors that I felt would go with my skin tone. So I decided to purchase these 2 nudes and then a white. And also, y'all, with polygel, it doesn't have that smell that monomer has with acrylic. So if you want to do nails at home and practice or whatever the case may be without bothering the other people who live with you, or just having that powerful monomer smell in your home, I would definitely recommend this, because the slip solution is just, I believe, 70% isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. I don't remember which one, but it's just alcohol. And I'm definitely excited because when I do my toes, it's way easier for me to just manage the bead, you know, bending down and things like that. So I would highly recommend this. If you want to try to learn how to do your own pedicure, you want that acrylic toenail look, that overlay look, Polygel is your girl. So definitely purchase some Polygel, y'all, and I'm gonna have some videos up to come for these. So the next thing that I purchased is from Melody Susie, and it is this. And as y'all can see, I'm gonna do a comparison so that you guys can really see how large the barrel is for this drill. Look how large this is, you guys. This is a very wide barrel for a drill, and when I saw it, I automatically fell in love with it, and I think y'all should definitely get y'all. Both of these are medium bits, and as you guys can see, this is double the size of the regular bit. And I purchased this because I know when I do longer nails, even when I did these duck nails, I decided to try to use this. And you guys can see you'll be able to achieve the look that you want way quicker, being that the barrel is double the size, so you can get over a long nail with it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick. Y'all see that? Look at that. That takes up, and this is like, you know, probably medium to long, or medium nails, I don't know. Medium to long. This is medium for me. But as you guys can see, it basically covers the whole nail, so you'll be able to balance out the nail way quicker. But I would recommend that you use this on a low speed if you're a beginner, because it doesn't have a safety portion. It's not a safety bit, so you have to be very careful with this. But I would do my regular cuticle work and then go in with this one for the body of the nail and then work on the nail. I did it with these and it cut down my time significantly, so I would highly recommend that y'all purchase it. They also have safety bits that are this long as well, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more of these because I absolutely love this. I feel like it cuts my time down significantly. All right, y'all, so the next thing that I purchased is this builder gel, and I got this from Beetles. I decided to get this because I'm trying again to get into gel-X, full cover tips and things like that. So I feel like if I want, you know, just that apex or, you know, a thicker nail, I can just do it with the builder gel. So I decided to purchase this one. I did some review, and everything I bought, y'all, I did some review on it. I watched other channels and I went on Amazon to view the reviews to see what would be the best product and what would be affordable, because I don't want to go and purchase like a Prey and stuff like that. Like, I just feel like it's overpriced in my opinion, but that's just me. So I decided to find alternatives on Amazon, so I decided to go with this one, and I'm gonna let you guys know, and I'll be doing a video on all of these things so you guys can see how they work. So the next thing that I purchased are these Makartt nail pump ups, and these are full cover tips. This is in Coffin, and it says that this is pre-etched, so you don't have to basically buff the bottom half of the nail, but I'm still gonna buff it because that's just, I don't know, I just have to. But let me open it. Well, I'm trying to get into gel-X without paying the Prey price, because that's not happening. So I'm just gonna pull one out really quick. On these full cover tips, I did my research on them. I was watching videos to see, like, you know, what would be the best full cover tip for me, and I have wide nail beds, so this is basically how it looks. And as you guys can see, that matteness at the bottom, this is what they're basically promoting, saying that it's already etched at the bottom. But I think that I'm gonna still go in with my drill and etch it a little more, because it still gives a little glossy to me, and I really want them to stay. But I'm trying to be a full cover nail girly. I don't know if y'all can see that really well. As you guys can see, like, it covers the whole tip. It has a bit of an apex. But from what I was talking about with you guys with the builder gel, this is where I would go on top of this full cover nail to kind of just give it more body, a little bit more thickness, and do my designs however I want to do them. And I also went ahead and purchased almond. Now, I'm not an almond girl. I'm telling y'all this now. I am not an almond girl. I do not like almond nails, and something just told me go on a limb and just try it out. Sometimes I want to do the little classy nails, and I've been seeing some really cute almond shaped nails, and I'm like, wow, that's really nice. Sometimes I don't want to have to do extra long nails. Sometimes I would want something quick and short and sweet. So, you know, you gotta switch it up sometimes. And I'm learning, since I tried duck nails, I'm like, I could try almond, because duck was ugly to some people at a point. Amazon, they gave me a broken box, honey. Deducting points for that. These are how they look, and I think that they're beautifully shaped. Also, I must admit, these are shaped really nice. So the next thing that I purchased are these clear square extension nail tips, because Makartt didn't have them. And I wanted, you know, some super long nail tips, but not like crazy long, but just like extra long, because I do love long nails, and I told you guys I want to get into, this isn't numbered either, so annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, so, oops. All right, y'all, so these are how they look. Yeah, so these aren't numbered either, and I'm just putting one on my nail. So I already see, like, as y'all can see, this is really long. So I'm gonna absolutely love these. But what I do know is that if you do have wide nail beds, these will probably work really good for you. I know that I'm gonna have to round out the tips at the cuticle area, because they are pretty wide and like square, and my cuticle is pretty round. Let me try to show you guys. So y'all see that it's like really square. So I have to round that out and just pre-shape it or whatever the case may be, but I don't mind doing. So the next thing that I purchased are these 10-piece art tools. So I basically purchased these for when I'm curing my nails. I can go ahead and just apply the clip to, so like that, y'all. You see that? So when I'm curing them, I can just do a flash cure, or if I'm trying to flash cure them or whatever, and I want to make sure that they don't lift, I put it on with the poly gel or whatever gel I put underneath, press and hold that, and then put it to flash cure so that it can hold the nail and it doesn't move. So yeah, I bought these, and it's a 10-piece or whatever. So just simple. All right, so the next thing that I purchased is, all right, so this is the next thing that I purchased, and this is Solid Nail Gel by Makartt. So it comes with this paper in there, I guess the instructions, and that's what I like about Makartt. They really have instructions on what to do. So it says that it's a multifunctional glue, and this is how it looks. So 4-in-1 on the instructions. It says that it's for nail extension, for nail gel glue, for building nails, for 3D nail art sculpting, for adhesion, for nail decor, for DIY 3D nail decor. And then it has the tips on how you apply it for everything, the curing time. Well, it really breaks down everything, and I appreciate Makartt for that, because if you're doing nails at home, if you're not a professional nail tech, even if you are, with all these products, because they're so different from what we're used to, you would want instructions, and I really appreciate them having instructions, because I've done even the BT Art Box one with the nail glue, like for example this one. It just came in a box. It has ingredients, a warning, and that's pretty much it. So not to throw shade at them, but I'm just saying, like, you know, you want to give people instructions if it's supposed to be DIY or easy. So the next thing that I got is this Makartt Chrome Gloss, and I already opened it, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this was the first thing that I opened up. I absolutely think this is the cutest thing ever. So I just opened it to see how it looked, but I didn't use it yet. So I saw it and I was like, I have to have it. So this is the color Sunlit. I don't think you guys can see that really well, but it's Sunlit, and this is how it looks. It's so freaking pretty. And it comes with instructions. I love Makartt for this. Look how cute the instructions are. But it comes with instructions, y'all. And it says that it's a chrome glass nail liquid. And it says here that you prep your nails, you shape them and do all of that. Apply base coat and the color gel. So whatever color you want to have underneath this, and then you cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a thin and even layer of the chrome nail liquid over the gel color. Anyways, y'all, look at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. And look at the applicator. So obsessed. So I can't wait to use this. So last but not least, I purchased this Sun UV nail lamp because I was not about to pay Here Sky $300 for a nail lamp. I needed another lamp. Let me show y'all my other lamp. This is my old lamp. This is Old Faithful. I've had this lamp since I started doing nails, and that's been about 3 years now. And look at it. It finally gave out on me. So yeah, y'all, I wanted something smaller. I didn't want something that was like so bulky. So I decided to purchase this one. Alright, y'all, so I wanted something smaller for my desk because I don't want a super cluttered nail space. So I just purchased like this small nail lamp. And as you guys can see, like it's just big enough so it can fit my hand in here or my foot in here. Just really simple. This is basically the timer settings on it. I just wanted something really small and really quick. So I think this will work perfectly, and it's really compact, really cute, and the bottom pops off or whatever. So I think that this is gonna work out pretty well for me. I got it on sale, so it was no big deal for me. Okay. So yeah, y'all, period, it works. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this Amazon nail haul for DIY nails, and I'm gonna be putting these products to use, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I'm not playing with y'all. For more content from me, comment down below if there's any products that you guys have used in this haul, or if you guys recommend me try any other products, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.